Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful topic: how to view your virtual debit card from Axis Bank in 2025. With the rise of digital banking, having quick access to your virtual card can make online shopping and payments a breeze. Whether you're a tech-savvy user or just getting started, I'll walk you through this step by step in a simple, straightforward way. First off, why bother with a virtual debit card? It's all about convenience and security. You can use it for transactions without risking your physical card. Let's jump right in. To get started, make sure you have the latest Axis Bank mobile app installed on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, head to your app store, search for Axis Mobile, and download it for free. Once that's done, open the app and log in using your registered mobile number, password, and any additional security verification like an OTP for two-factor authentication. This step is crucial to keep your account safe. Now, after logging in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Cards or Accounts section. It's usually front and center. Tap on it, and you should see a list of your cards. Next, select your debit card from the options. This might show both physical and virtual versions. If your virtual card isn't visible, look for a Manage Cards or Virtual Card submenu and tap on that. Here, you may need to activate or generate your virtual card if it's your first time. Once you're in, you'll see all the details: the card number, CVV, expiry date, and even a digital image of the card. Pro tip: always copy or screenshot these details securely and never share them publicly. If you encounter any issues, like the app crashing or not loading, try updating the app to the 2025 version or restarting your phone. If that doesn't work, reach out to Axis Bank's customer support through the app's help section. And just like that, you're all set. Viewing your virtual debit card is quick and easy, putting you in control of your finances. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more banking tips and tricks. See you in the next video.